Length. Which tool is used to measure length? Weighing scale. Measuring cup. Ruler.
The right answer is
Ruler. What is the length of a pencil if it measures up to the 10th mark on a ruler? 10 centimeters. 10 meters. 10 grams.
The right answer is
10 centimeters. Which of these is the longest? A notebook. A pencil. A school bus.
The right answer is
A school bus. If a stick is 15 centimeters long and another stick is 10 centimeters long, how long are they together? 30 centimeters. 25 centimeters. 35 centimeters.
The right answer is
25 centimeters. Which is the best unit to measure the distance between to see? Meters. Kilometers. Centimeters.
The right answer is
Kilometers. Weight. What tool is used to measure weight? Weighing scale. Clock. Ruler.
The right answer is
Weighing scale. What is the approximate weight of a loaf of bread? 5 kilograms. 50 grams. 500 grams.
The right answer is
500 grams. Which of the following is the lightest? A watermelon. A bag of sugar. A feather.
The right answer is
A feather. If an orange weighs 200 grams and a watermelon weighs 3 kilograms, which is heavier? Orange. Watermelon.
The right answer is
Watermelon. How many grams make a kilogram? 1000 grams. 500 grams. 100 grams.
The right answer is
1000 grams.